love?
A right angle is the degree.
Is an angle. Look up there on the board, huh? A right angle has, just tell me, what does an angle have? Exactly, because it's made up of what? What is it made up of? And? So what is that? Help her out, Zaira. Help her out.
It's just like a red.
Exactly. Tell me, so an angle has what again?
An angle has a red.
How many?
Has two rays.
Exactly. An angle has two rays. So a right angle is going to have two rays, and it's also going to equal what, love? How many degrees? 90 degrees. It's only going to equal 90 degrees. So with that being said, we can start to compare other angles.
Lift it up. Lift it up.
Yeah, JC.
What?
No, she got it. When we do our angle, we always have to, if we're having a letter, our letter has to be capitalized.
Exactly, but I didn't put any points on there yet. But you're right. Whenever we have our 3 points, they need to be labeled with capital letters. Very good. So there's a blue paper right there. It's red. Here you go. So let's look at this real quick. So let's look at this. What is this? What angle is this again?
Angle. L.
Raise your hand. Everyone say it.
Right.
What angle is this? Otis, you're saying an L. It's not an L, babe. It's what?
A right angle.
What angle?
A left angle.
A right angle. There are no left angles. It's called a right angle. The right angle is how many degrees again? 90 degrees. Whenever you see a right angle, you're going to see a box in the corner. That's how you'll know that it's a right angle. So in this case, let's look at this. Is that a right angle? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. I love it. Look at it. Devon, look at this, love. Is it a right angle? Is this angle a right angle? Okay. Why did you say yes? Stand up and tell me, why did you say yes? We do have two rays, I understand that. So it is an angle. It's definitely an angle. But I asked, is it a right angle? Why not? No. Somebody help him out. Pay attention, love, okay? Not that. Help him out, please.
Because you know what? Our boys were so
Okay, let me help you. You're saying that it is a right angle because it's slanted. Is this a right angle?
Yes.
Does this look like that?
No.
Why does it not look the same? Why does it not look the same? Why is it different? What's making it different? Milan, why is it different? Why are those two angles different? What do you see?
The degree.
They don't have the degree. Okay, let me put some degrees in here. Let me put 90 degrees in. That way they don't have degrees. I'm gonna put degrees in.
I know why.
Dayon, stand up and tell me why.
Because it don't have the little box.
Thank you. Say it one more time. Wonderful. What did I say the box indicated? It's not your turn. Say it so that your classmates hear you. So when you see that box, you know that it is a right angle. You guys looked at everything else and you made it so difficult. It's not difficult. When you see the box, the square, then you know it's a right angle. But get this. What if there was no square? This is how we're going to measure. We're going to use our right angle template. Look up here. Look. And I'm going to see if this is a right angle. I'm going to take this out. Someone else is talking. I'm going to place my right angle template directly in the corner, right on the vertex. And if it is a right angle, the other ray should line up directly with it. Does this ray line up directly with it?
No.
No. So that means what?
It is not
no
right angle.
It is not a right angle, but now we need to figure out, is it less than or is it greater than? What would you say? What would you say, Sam? Stand up. It is less than. Why did you say it's less than? Right, this square does not fit in, but you're saying that's why? Right, it's hanging out. But let me give you a hint, and let me give you a big hint. When your other ray is leaning inward like this is our other ray. It's going in. When it's leaning inward, Deasia, it is less than. So if it's less than, that makes it an acute. That makes it a cute, get it? A cute little angle. Get it?
Yes.
Y'all didn't get it. A cute little angle. So let me come over here and do some work because you just figured out two definitions. Actually, you figured out one with the help of angle, with the help of the right angle. But that's what we were trying to do. What are my markers? No, those are dry erase markers. You can't use those or the paper will absorb all the ink. Okay. All right, so here we are. So again, tell me, what is a right angle? Yes, tell me. Yes, Bob.
Right angle is like an L, but it has a little box in it and it ends with an L.
Okay, so a right angle reminds you of an L, but I can't say that. Tell me what it is, the definite thing. That's good for you to remember. But when you get a VCR or you answer a test, you can't write that on the test. A right angle is an L. Because they'll say, what in the world is she talking about? So let's think about it, okay? So we're going, name, I need your name. Okay, right angle. And I'm going to use our right angle symbol, our angle symbol. That's, remember that? Remind you it's an angle. So, how does it look? A right angle looks like this. Exactly, like an L, like you said, love. I'm going to put my point, and my point is going to be a black point to the side.
And your arrowhead.
Okay, and an arrowhead. Okay. And what else am I missing?
Your letter. Your box.
And my letters, because I did put 3 inputs on it. So,
They always have to be capitalized.
they all must be capital. I love it. I love it. So, A, B, right, so that's angle. How do we say this? How do we read this? Go.
ABC. Angle ABC.
Let's read it again.
Angle ABC.
Or
CBA.
I love it. Okay, how many degrees are in a right angle? 90.
Simone.
All right, 90 degrees. Love it. Now you're rocking and rolling. So, we just said that the angle that I wrote on the board was not a right angle. So what kind of angle is that again, Mr. Faison? On the board. The angle that I wrote on the board. It's less than, we're comparing it to the right angle. So you have to tell me, this angle is
Less
than what?
than the right angle.
Exactly. It's less than the right angle. So if it's less than the right angle, I told you that it is like a cute little baby. Okay, like a cute little baby. It's an acute angle. Some of y'all were cute babies. At one time or another, some of y'all were cute. An acute angle. So now, here is my picture for you. Well, all angles have 3 points. All angles have 3 points. So what letter should we use again?
D.
I don't want to use B, I already used B.
C.
I use C, so
Z.
D.
F.
F,
E. Y.
E.
Why can't be
Okay, Z, F, E. Now listen.
Z. E. F. Z.
So listen, if the acute angle, tell me something else about the acute angle. Mr. Dayon, glad to see you participating, love. Now, I'm about to call on people who are not participating, so you need to pay attention. You're rocking today. Less than what? Exactly. It's less than the right angle. Say it like you know, okay? It's less than 90 degrees. So that's what I'm going to put here. Less than sign, 90 degrees. It's less than 90 degrees. So if that is less than 90 degrees, look at this one. Look at this one. That's not what I want. Okay, that's a good one. Look at that one. What kind of angle?
And look on the board.
Look at the board and tell me what kind of angle is that? Compared to what? What are we doing again? What are we doing again with these angles? Treasure, stand up. What are we doing with these angles each time? To what? Exactly. So I have my handy dandy paper, which is my right angle template. And what should I do to figure this out? What should I do? I'm calling on you. Stand up. What should I do? Yes, you. Stand up. I'm going to put the blue, I'm going to put my right angle template right at the vertex. Woo! Look at that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at this. All eyes up here. What does this mean? You may not do that. What does this mean? I love it. What does this mean?